Morning students. In this session we going to learn about under the fraction chapter the subtraction. I take the problem 8 divided by 9 subtract 2 divided by 9. So our solution is first you refer the denominator. Both the denominator are same. So we do the problem directly. We don't need to take any cross multiplication. So I take 8 divided by 9 minus 2 divided by 9. I take the 9 is a denominator. In the numerator I write down 8 minus 2. So we subtract 2 from 8, 6 in the numerator and denominator 9. So our fraction is 6 divided by 9. So answer difference is equal to 6 divided by 9. Second problem 3 divided by 8 subtract from 5 divided by 11. Students, now you see our denominators are different. So here we can't do directly. So we should take the cross multiplication here. Before we have to arrange 3 by 8 from 5 by 11. So our solution, the 5 by 11 subtract 3 by 8. So the first fraction is multiplied by the second fraction denominator. So that is cross multiplication. So 5 divided by 11 is both the numerator as well as the denominator is multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40. 11 8s are 88. Now I take it as number 1. 3 divided by 8 is multiplied by 11. So 3 divided by 8, both the numerator as well as the denominator is multiplied by 11. 3 11s are 33. 8 11s are 88. So now I take it as number 2. Now subtract 2 from when. So 40 divided by 88 subtract 33 divided by 88. Now we get the same denominator. So this is our like fraction. So I write down the same denominator 88. Then numerator 40 minus 33. So 40 minus 33 we get 7 divided by 88. Difference is equal to 7 divided by 88. Second topic is multiplication. So I take the problem 7 divided by 13 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. So our solution, in addition and subtraction only we go through the denominator. So in multiplication we multiply directly. So 7 divided by 13 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 is equal to 7 2s are 14 and 13 5s are. So 13 multiplied by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Cut this 5. Right under the ones place. Carry the remaining to the tens place. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. So 65. So in denominator 65. So our answer is equal to 7 divided by 65. So second problem, the 12 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. Now I give the mixed fraction here. So how can we multiply mixed fraction and proper fraction? You see, our solution is, first you convert this mixed fraction into the proper or improper fraction. So you try to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Already we study how to we change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 12 3 divided by 4. Improper fraction formula is the whole number multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator divided by the denominator. Here the whole number is 12. This is whole number. This is our numerator. This is our denominator. So n is 3 and d is 4. So now I apply the improper fraction formula. We get w into 4 plus 3 and divided by 4. So 12 fours are 48 plus 3 divided by 4. 48 plus 3 is 51 divided by 4. So now our fraction is 51 divided by 4. So this mixed fraction now I change into improper fraction. Instead of this mixed fraction I apply this improper fraction. This is multiplied by 1 divided by 3. So 15 ones are 51 divided by 4 threes are 12. So our answer product is equal to 51 divided by 12. In this session, we study about subtraction and multiplication of fraction. Thank you, children.